Hi, this is Jakaria from Unboxing Superhuman. Hope you guys been keeping well. These days we put anything and everything on social media. Have we ever thought how we are giving the privilege to everyone to know every little detail about us? Perhaps we overshare the picture or story of our birthdays, anniversaries, baby shower, job promotion, the special meal that we eat, the diamond or the iPhone that we buy, the holiday that we enjoy, the donation that we make, even the cattle we sacrifice. Almost all the small and big life decisions that we make or take. We basically become the Netflix with loads of drama for someone else to enjoy without payment. So there are audience who wait for the new episodes or seasons to give their opinion or judgment. Probably we do that because we have the fear of missing out, also known as FOMO. Many people do not think about the security issue that we unknowingly attract by oversharing. We bring a lot of attention to our family. Just by sharing our current location, when we check in somewhere, people might take advantage of our home or family members when we are away. A private life is essentially a happy life. Here are the benefits that I wish I could tell my oversharing and overjealous younger self. As the respect for our own privacy increases, the drama, bad luck and non-value-added activities in our life instantly decreases. The less we share, the less likely people will poke their nose into your business. We reduce the chance of all the negative energy in the form of jealousy, envy, greed, anger, judgment. We really start to enjoy the present moment of whatever we are engaged in, as we do not get busy to capture the best moment to boost our ego or identity. It saves time and energy because it takes ample amount of time to capture, edit, upload, describe, share and then read comments. Our self-esteem starts to get better as we no longer need the approval from others. We become content with whatever we have. Privacy provides a sense of inner peace. We become the role model to our kid or to our team members that we are a private person and can be trusted. Living a private life does not mean that you will not share anything at all. It's about being conscious and smarter about what we share and why we share. It's about having our self-esteem boundaries intact. When our self-esteem is intact, there is abundance because we no longer acting from the place of desperation or lack. Now, how you gonna do it? Here are the 5 steps that you can consider transitioning from being public to private. 1. It takes a lot of courage to acknowledge and think about the transition. You need to start to take baby steps in giving yourself the kindness, compassion and unconditional love that you probably been outsourcing the entire life. 2. Whenever you feel like sharing anything, take a pause and ask yourself if the post that you're gonna share will help you or any of your friends to grow. If not, you can consider avoiding. 3. You can periodically review your friend list to respectfully unfollow or follow to decide who you want to see and what you want to see. So the power is always within you. 4. You can cut down the media time and still be social by spending private time with your family and friends. 5. Keep repeating the process till it becomes a part of your habit. So when you start becoming more private, your whole life will start to switch from being full of drama to positive vibes. The relationship with you or the people who matter to you most become very deep and valuable, and as a result, you start to feel happy and joyful.
Mr. Zuckerberg, would you be comfortable sharing with us the name of the hotel you stayed in last night?
No.